Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at this, the Nikon Z5 II, or Z5 II, depending on which side of the Atlantic you're from. This is Nikon's newest camera. It is their update to their entry-level full-frame camera for their mirrorless system. And I really actually hate that term for this camera, because entry level makes you think of, oh, it's got the smaller battery, it doesn't have the big battery that the regular cameras use, or oh, it's missing features because it's entry level and they were trying to hit a price point. No, this has the same EL15C battery that you get in a Z8 or a Z6 line. This has the same autofocus system, or at least has inherited a lot of the autofocus system from the Z9 and the Z8. Yes, it's only 24 megapixels, but when was the last time you actually really needed more than 24 megapixels, if you're being honest with yourself? And on top of that, it does 4K 60 video, or 1080 120 if you're into your slow-mo stuff. And because Nikon now owns Red, you can do RAW internally with N-Log, and you can actually apply 4 different Red LUTs to your video work. So that's an interesting development, videographers. Is this a baby Red? Ergonomically, this actually feels really good in the hand. As somebody who grew up on Canon, this feels really good. The controls are where I want them to be. The size, maybe it's a little bit small for my big hands, but maybe I just need to hold it a little bit better. Nikon have been doing some really great things that I wish other manufacturers would pick up on. Little things like rotating the screen rotates the screen. Why is that not a thing, Canon? Why can I not get my text to rotate on the screen on an R5 II? It's 2025, that should be the simplest thing to do. Its EVF is nice and bright, its rear screen is super bright. Obviously you can tell because we've got the body cap on, and so it's just showing black right now, but trust me, it's a nice big full color screen, touch screen, does the job wonderfully. And yeah, it's great, it's nice, it's solid, it feels really good in the hand. And whilst it might not have all of the specs of the latest, greatest flagships, it's not supposed to, because it is, again, entry-level camera. But it feels so much more than that when you consider that a lot of the features, a lot of the internals of this have been inherited from the likes of the Z6 II or the Z8. And so you have essentially last generation's powerhouse in this nice compact package for a fraction of the price, and that Red compatibility as well. But yeah, this is the Nikon Z5 II, baby Red, and it's available right now on our website, thelenspal.com, with rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you've liked this video, if you found it helpful or informative, if you'd just like to see me hold cameras like this, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Nikon's social media team are saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.